Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for supporting Wizan. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for any future videos. Okay, let's find another split point. Let's look at the difference between using Chelsea Bridge or Albert Bridge. So I won't say anything more other than pause the video and you find the split line. Did you find it? The routes split at the junction of Pimlico Road and Ebury Bridge Road, and they meet again at the junction of Lombard Road and York Road. Now the thing is that these kind of splits are obvious even to the naked eye, so you should be able to see without drawing the split line that Chelsea Bridge is going to be longer. There is also a fairly decent rule here. Chelsea Bridge will not beat Albert Bridge or Battersea Bridge on any angled run. Best it can do is draw. Chelsea Bridge is very suited to north to south runs directly in its line. So now we can remove the Chelsea Bridge route, and we are now narrowing down our choices nicely. Let's do a simple one now. We have a route that is using Wandsworth Road and a route that's using Nine Elms Lane. I'm going to leave you to draw the split line. Even though it may be obvious, the exercise is understanding where to draw your split lines to and from. So pause now and give that a go. So you've drawn your line from where the routes part at Wandsworth Road, Nine Elms Lane, and where they re-meet at York Circus. And even though it's not a terrible disaster, Nine Elms Lane will always be shorter. So now we can remove the Wandsworth Road route.